Once upon a time in Willowville, little boy Sunny and his golden dog, Buddy, set out on an enchanting adventure. The magical woods welcomed them with sunlight peeking through the leaves. In a secret spot, they played and laughed, their joy echoing through the trees. Following the sparkling riverbank, they discovered a hidden garden with colorful flowers and friendly creatures. Sunny and Buddy explored the wonders of nature, laughter echoing in the air. Throughout the day, they met woodland animals, crossed wobbly bridges, and stumbled upon a mysterious cave, each moment strengthening their unbreakable bond. As the sun dipped below the horizon, they journeyed home, tired but content. Under the twinkling stars, Sunny whispered to Buddy, "Today was the best adventure ever." Buddy wagged his tail, expressing that every day was an adventure with his best friend. And so, in the cozy town of Willowville, the adventures of Sunny and Buddy continued, brimming with laughter, love, and the magic of pure friendship.